This is also organic chemistry question from October 18 paper. Ethane, which is C2H6, is a member of a homologous series called alkane, and ethanol, which is C2H5OH, is also a member of homologous series known as alcohol. And alkane is a hydrocarbon. What is meant by a term hydrocarbon? It's always a 2-mark question. So 1 mark is for mentioning contain carbon and hydrogen. That is 1 mark. And the second mark is for just writing a term only. So compound which contain carbon and hydrogen, and the second mark is for only, we call them as hydrocarbons. Alkanes are a member of homologous series represented by a journal formula. So what is the journal formula for alkane and alcohol? So journal formula for alkanes, that is CnH2n plus 2. And for alcohol, it can be CnH2n plus 1 OH. Or you can also write CnH2n plus 2 O. So both are acceptable. You can write this one or you can write the other one. State 2 characteristic other than having a same journal formula of a member of a homologous series. What are the characteristics of homologous series? They will have the similar chemical properties. And they will have same method of preparation. Whenever compound belongs to a same homologous series, they will react in the same manner, and we can prepare them by a same technique or a same method. Ethene can react with chlorine to undergo substitution reaction. What is the essential condition for this ethane can react with the chlorine to undergo substitution reaction. What is the essential condition? So ethane is C2H6. It reacted with chlorine. A substitution reaction means 1 chlorine enter, 1 hydrogen will leave. So it will become C2H5Cl plus HCl. And this happened in the presence of ultraviolet light. So the reaction condition, we need ultraviolet light. Draw the structure of organic product by substitution of 1 hydrogen with ethane. So we have to draw the structure of this C2H5Cl. So how to draw the structure of C2H5Cl? So 2 carbon atoms are there. One will have hydrogen, 3 hydrogen. Another one will have 2 hydrogen and 1 chlorine. Name the product of substitution reaction between ethane and chlorine that does not contain a carbon. So what is the second product which does not contain a carbon? That is HCl, hydrogen chloride. Because whenever a substitution reaction occurs, alkane reacted with a chlorine. The first one is an organic product which is known as the chloroalkane, and the second one is HCl or hydrogen chloride. Propane 1-ol is an alcohol. Propane 1-ol react with ethanoic acid to form an ester. So remember, the first name of ester is always from carboxylic acid, and the second name is from, first name is from alcohol and the second name is from carboxylic acid. So propanol, it will be propyl. And the second name is from acid, so it will be ethanoate. So it will be propyl ethanoate. The ester Y structure is shown. Give a molecular formula of ester Y. What is the molecular formula? Molecular formula means actual number of atoms. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 carbons. So this will be C5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11 hydrogen are there. Sorry, 10 hydrogen are there. 3, 6, yeah. 10 hydrogen are there, and how many oxygen? There are 2 oxygen. Then draw the structure of carboxylic acid and alcohol which used to make this ester. So remember, from the structure you can identify, as I mentioned, the part which is attached with oxygen. Remember, the part which is attached with oxygen is always from carboxylic, from alcohol. So this whole part is from alcohol. And the part which is C double bonded with O, that is from carboxylic acid. So which carboxylic acid and which alcohol? So if you want to deduce the structure of alcohol, so the part which is attached with oxygen is coming from alcohol, and the part which is attached with C double bonded with O is from carboxylic acid. So if you want to draw the structure of alcohol, so this is CH, then this will be CH, then this is CH2, and then CH3. So this one is from carboxylic acid, C double bonded with O and O. So how to complete this structure? Because this part is the part which is attached with oxygen is coming from alcohol, and the other part is from carboxylic acid. So this will come from alcohol, so OH should be there, and this is coming from carboxylic acid, so H should be there. And what is the name of these acid? One carbon is there, so it will be meth, single bond, and oic acid. So this is methanoic acid. And this one, the OH is attached with the second carbon because 1, 2, 3, 4. So second carbon contained OH. So it is but because of 4 carbon, and because they have a single bond, and 2 all because the second carbon contain a OH, so it is butane 2 all. So this ester is actually formed by reaction between butane 2 all and methanoic acid. So as they asked to draw the structure of alcohol and carboxylic acid, so the carboxylic acid is actually like C double bonded with O and OH, that is methanoic acid. And the alcohol was butane 2 all. So from the structure of the ester, you can deduce the structure of alcohol and carboxylic acid. Then nylon is a polyamide. Polyamide means it's a polymer which contain an amide or a peptide linkage. So when you're drawing a synthetic polymer, because nylon is formed by when diamine react with dicarboxylic acid. That is how nylon is formed. So diamine means one molecule, both sides it contain amine group, and the other molecule, both sides it contain carboxylic C double bonded with O group. One molecule amine group NH, and the other one, you have to learn the structure of nylon. So in a nylon, each monomer contain identical group at the end. So one molecule contain both side amine group, the other molecule contain both side carboxylic, and you just link them together and they will have an amide or a peptide linkage. So this is how we draw the structure of a nylon. If there was a same question and they asked to draw the structure of a protein, like if it was not nylon and they asked to draw the structure of protein. So in protein, what happened? One side amine group of a molecule and other side acid group. One side amine group, the same molecule, other side acid. Because proteins are formed by combination of amino acids. So one side amine group will be there and the other side it will be acid. So you link them together, that will be the structure of a protein. But as they ask for the nylon, so in case of nylon, it contains amine group, both sides, one molecule contain amine at one side both sides, and the other molecule contain carboxylic acid, both sides. So this was an organic chemistry question from winter 18 paper.